Hey guys, this is Forenza.com, and today we are back with another friend.
Me again.
Yay! Why do I keep on saying it, yay, so much?
I don't know.
Okay, so our science experiment, our slimy stuff wasn't that slimy, so it did tell us to do it overnight. Like, let it sit overnight, and we let it sit overnight. And now we're gonna test out, see if it's any different. So, see you guys in a second. Okay, we're getting back into the fort. Here, let's see. Oh, dang. That is very, it's not even like going upside down.
And my voice
It's not
is
even
deep. Oh shoot, you got
It's not even like. Okay. What was that? Okay, well. Skip part 2. Okay, never mind. Not skip part 2. It got all over my hands. And it spilled on the carpet. So, what are we going to clean it up with? Oh yeah, my glove. But it's so slimy and globby now. So if you just leave it overnight, then it'll be a lot more globby and slimy. And it'll be a lot more fun.
It's the hard knock life for us. It's the hard knock life for us.
Injecting the DNA. Look at it's so slimy and globby now.
Ew.
That's pretty disgusting. There we go. Okay, now skip part 2. Go. Jalen, I think it's called one of its buddies. I don't know where it is. Oh crap! I see it. I can't shoot it. Jalen, get it. Jalen, stab it just in case. Why do you keep on stabbing it?
Just in case.
Oh, a Kit Kat.
Ooh, Kit Kat.
You can have it.
Okay.
Hey, Jalen. Let's get the part where you stabbed it. Oh my gosh. See, look. You can like grab a lot more pieces with it, and it's a lot more globby too.
What the heck?
Dang. It's not even coming off, dude. Ew. I broke it in half. Ah, shoot. Look, it's a lot more like slimier than waterier. But if you're gonna last it overnight, you might want to put in hot water. Not boiling water, or else it'll like destroy the plastic. But like hot in general water. So, is that Kit Kat good?
Yeah.
Okay. And
What do we know? We haven't ate breakfast yet.
oh my gosh. Is it good?
Yeah.
Yummy. Okay, well, look at that. And then, see, it's just so much more globbier and easier to hold and just more disgusting. Now we're actually going to go to the sink and just, like, grab it all into our hands. So,
What?
see you in a second. We actually went to the bathroom instead of, the bathtub instead of the sink because we have a lot more space. Look, right there. And that was from yesterday's. So, yay. Okay, so, Jalen, you want to go first?
I'm doing what?
Why do you keep on... Stop eating the Kit Kat like that.
I can't. It's crumbly.
Okay, man. You can eat the Kit Kat later. Rip that Kit Kat, man. You just like this annihilated it. Look at that. What happened to it?
I ate it.
You just like killed it. You're still a murderer. I know that, man. What was that? You're Spider-Man, aren't you? Okay. Come on, man. You're going first. Put the Kit Kat away. Just throw it away.
I'm not gonna throw it away. I'm gonna eat it more.
Okay, man. I don't know. Just grab the alien. Ew.
No, it's like a giant chunk. Ew.
Ew. It's just...
Oh my god.
Grab some of that Coke right there.
Coke. Oh my god.
Ew. If I drop my phone in this, I'm gonna be so mad. Oh shoot! I'm just kidding.
Oh, it's so weird.
My fingers are still yellow. Zayden, you can't play with us right now.
Enzo.
Oh my gosh. Ew, you mixed the heart in. Okay, my turn.
Ah.
I'm gonna get some of the Coke. Oh my gosh. Ew, it's like jelly. Ew. Ew.
It looks so close on the camera.
Oh. I'm getting the alien. I'm just like literally just annihilating it.
You took out the entire
Oh,
thing.
it's like rainbow sparkly in there.
Taste the rainbow.
Gonna eat some.
You just made it into
That was so good.
What was that?
That was nothing.
You made it
Let's
look
get
like
some of the
yogurt with
yellowness.
M&M.
Jalen, what kind of yellowness is that?
That's I don't know.
I'm gonna drink it.
It's mustard.
Let's see what happens when we put it in snow. Well, we don't have snow right now. Ew. Ew.
Ugh. It somehow got on my foot.
I think this is why my hands were yellow. This is just destined for me. What? Oh my, I got the green chunkiness. This is probably why they put on gloves.
Oh, what the?
This is probably why they wanted us to put on gloves. Okay. Jalen. Okay, guys. So, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe. See you guys next time. Bye. Stop. It's not coming off, dude. That's probably why they wanted to show yours. That's probably why they didn't. They wanted us to wear gloves. No. Well, see you guys next time. Bye.